Hi, I'm Dr. John Hornocker with Matanzas Chiropractic, and this week's Matanzas Health Minute will be about instrument adjusting. I'll be right back.
Matanzas Chiropractic. You live in paradise. Be healthy enough to enjoy it.
Many people receive benefits for chiropractic, but many people are a little bit nervous about going to chiropractor because they think maybe a manual adjustment could be a little rough and painful. They've heard some stories. Well, here at Matanzas Chiropractic, we've addressed that. I use an instrument called the Impulse IQ. The wonderful thing about this is it's made through technology and research. Just like lasers have replaced scalpels in surgery, instrument adjusting can replace manual adjustments in chiropractic. Using an Impulse IQ, it's 100 times faster than my hand, so it prevents the patient from tensing up. There's no twisting, cracking, or popping. The patient just simply feels a tapping sensation on their spine and it mobilizes the joint. This is a safe, effective way to help people and allow them to get help through chiropractic. It's safe and effective for all ages. If you want to learn more about instrument adjusting, feel free to stop by our office or call. We'd be happy to help you.